continue their investigation into the shooting incident in the waters off northern Luzon. Christine Santos reports.
Channel, where a 65-year-old Taiwanese fisherman was shot and killed, the foreign probers assured to acquire the 17 Coast Guards and 2 Fisheries and Aquatic Resources personnel stake on the said incident. Commander Armand Balilo, spokesman of the Philippine Coast Guard, was also investigated by the Taiwanese probers.
Handa naman po kami kung kaya nga hinihintay namin yung investigasyon ng NBI, kung anong kalalabasan nito, we will abide by the results of it. At mag-aanda lang po kami para doon sa mga tauhan namin na magkaroon ng kung kaya silang harapin sa korte, susuportahan po namin sila.
It can be recalled the foreign investigators started their probe at the port of Manila, where the surveillance vessel used by the PCG and BFAR operatives was aground when the bloody incident happened with the presence of the NBI and Coast Guard authorities. The investigators looked through the vessel's pilot house, its armory and patrol craft, as well as the said damage inflicted when the Taiwanese fishing vessel tried to bomb the PCG's fishing vessel last May 9. Commandant Rodolfo Isarena, on the other hand, ordered Coast Guard transparency on the ongoing investigation. NBI's parallel probe on Taiwan, meantime, is still continuous, where they question the victim's companion as they look through the gun damage made on their fishing vessel.
Maayos naman yung pagtanggap sa kanila kahapon ng Philippine Coast Guard. May mga bagay silang inalam doon sa barko at sinalubong nga sila ni Commodore Gongona. They went to the pilot house, pumunta rin sila doon sa paikot ng barko. Kumuha sila ng mga sample na mga pintura. Sinukat nila yung mounting ng barrel at tinignan na nila yung pilot house. So basically, it's an inspection of the vessel. So other than that, wala namang ginawa. And today, harap naman yung mga tao.
For People's Television, this is Christine Santos.